Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do subject lifting from an image in Flutter iOS application using VisionKit. Now if you don't know what subject lifting is, I'll quickly show you the output. So I have two image views. First will display the actual image, so hope the app loads. Again, this will be tested only on real iOS device. So here you can see in the first image view I have the image, and in the second image view it automatically lift whatever person was there in the first image into our second image. If you see the second image, it does not have the background. Now this subject lifting is done automatically. I don't have to click on any of the button or anything. Also, one more thing, like if the image is extremely complex, it might take a little bit of time. This thing which you see, like this scanner kind of thing, is not from my image. It is displayed by iOS. If you use VisionKit for subject lifting automatically on the image, that means the subject lifting is done. Otherwise you will have to wait. I will do it with some different image as well. Now for this, obviously we'll have to write native code. Also, we can't use Flutter's image view. We have to use native UI image view from iOS. Now if you see, I'll show you the code later on. I have other images as well. So this was the image which you have already seen. I have one dog image and one people image as well. So I'll just quickly change that image. So here I will just write people. If you have little bit of knowledge of native iOS development, you might be wondering how am I able to automatically type it. Like previously we have to type the string name, but in newer version of iOS we don't have to do that. Like newer version of Xcode, it automatically identifies our image name from the images that we add inside the assets folder, so we don't make any mistake. So here is our image, first image. Now wait, and here you can see it has displayed, it has lifted those people from the first image into our second image view. Now I will show you the output for our dog image as well. Again, lifting the image might take a little bit of time, so be patient. Obviously you will have to test it on real iOS device or an iPad device. You can't test it on the simulator. So here you can see I have this dog image, and there are some other things as well inside this image. So here you can see I was able to extract the dog. So yeah, that's what this tutorial is all about. Let's see how to do this. We'll have to write a lot of native code for this. So firstly, this is my Flutter project, simple Flutter project. Go to main.dart, and here is my homepage widget which I have just refactored. So it is a stateless widget. It takes the width and height. I have taken a scaffold, safe area, and inside the size box we are passing this width and height of the device. And here I have created a native custom widget called my image view. So here you can see I have created this my image view. It takes an identifier. Same identifier you will have to use it on native iOS side as well. And here you can see I'm only checking if platform is iOS, then display a UIKit view. For all other platform, just displaying a placeholder, because currently for Android we don't have such API, unfortunately. So this is only iOS only tutorial. So again, here I'm displaying a UIKit view. Okay, then you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. One more thing is you will have to update the minimum deployment target to at least iOS 16. So change it over here, and you will have to change it over here as well. Then you will have to go to yeah, you can just directly go to app delegate, and firstly here we are registering our native view. So this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you have to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. So just copy paste it. But here we are referencing one Swift file called my image view native view factory. So create a Swift file called my image view native view factory. I have already created it. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view. Again, you can just copy paste it. Important thing is here we are referencing other Swift file called my image view native view. Also inside app delegate, make sure you use the same identifier which we have defined it on the Flutter side, otherwise it will not work. So again I have created another, so here we are referencing that my image view native view. For that again I have created another Swift file called my image view native view. So here we are importing VisionKit. Okay, so here we are creating one UI view. Then I have created two image views. This will display the original image, and this subject image view will display the second image view where the subject is lifted from the actual image. Then here I have created an image analyzer as well. Then here there is this image analyzer dot configuration. I'm not really sure about all this stuff. Even if I remove this it works, but if I quickly show it to you, there is some text in the first image, right? And if I click on the text, here you can see I'm able to copy paste whatever things we can do with normal text, we can do that. Also one more thing which I forgot, for the first original image, if I click on the image and leave it, here you can see I can also do this copy lookup, add it as a sticker as well. So and I can share that image as well. So if I click on add as sticker, here you can see it has added as a sticker as well. And this people image was part of my practice, so I'll just delete it for now. I don't really need it. Okay, I'll delete this as well. Okay, so you can do this kind of stuff as well. Then here is our image analysis interaction. Then we are just calling setup image view inside the init method, and here we are doing all this on the main thread. So we are creating this image analysis interaction, passing our image. Again, inside your assets folder you will have to add some images, so I have already added few images. Don't add it inside your Flutter project, it won't make sense. Then whatever is the name of your image, just use it over here, and then just do self.imageview equal to image view and add some interaction to it. And here I am using this thing called async await. Yeah, so here we are just created one task for it, and we are lifting subject from the original image and then assigning it to our subject image view. Now coming back to setting up our image views, so here is we are initializing our image views, doing some translate auto resizing mask into constraints, adding it to our parent view, then doing some ns layout constraints. Then here I have just set some content width, border width and border color for all of them, not really necessary. Then here is the actual implementation. So here we get the image, then we do analyzer.analyze, pass our image to it. Then if the analysis is not equal to null, then we just do interaction.analysis equal to analysis, and prefer interaction type, keep it as automatic. And once we have the subject, we just get the actual image from the subject, and once we have that, we just return it back. And if you see over here, we have the actual image, subject image, and we just apply it to our subject image view. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can lift subject from your images for a Flutter iOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.